get my act right.
What is the reason when you really could have any man you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should've been a season, cause you could see I have potential.
Hello everyone, welcome to Arizona, where every road leads to an unforgettable adventure. If you ever think Arizona is just a desert, no, think again. This incredible state is full of surprises. From towering red rock formations and deep canyons to crystal clear lakes, fine forests, and even snowy mountains, Arizona truly has it all. I remember the first time I arrived here, it was summertime, so sobrang init. Paglabas mo ng bahay, yung tipong parang nilagay ka sa oven sa sobrang init. That was June. Ito pala yung papunta na kami ng DePage, Arizona. Nagpunta kami sa Glen Canyon Dam. Pupunta sana kami doon sa pinakasikat na, ano ba yun? Yung horseshoe bend. Pero we never got a chance to go there na. It's because it was so mainit that time at hindi kaya ng partner ko na magpunta pa kami doon. Kaya hanggang sa dam na lang kami. And after that, nagstay kami ng one night doon sa DePage, Arizona. Lumipat naman kami dito sa Monument Valley, which is like from DePage, Arizona is like around 3 hours drive. So that's not bad kasi hindi naman ako yung nagda-drive. So if you're planning to visit the Monument Valley and wondering where to stay, Golding Lodge is the best one and most popular choices. I can tell that it was the best choices kasi dumating kami dito before 12 noon and then they let us mag-check-in early as long as the room is ready. So, nakapag-check-in kami ng early time. Supposed to be, the check-in time is 4 p.m. And now, bibigyan ko po kayo ng quick room tour sa cabin na book namin. Napakaganda po ng cabin. Nakapag-check-in na pala kami that time and I just labas-labas lang para tingnan-tingnan yung view. Di ko na malayan na lock ko pala yung pinto yung isa na sa loob ng kwarto niya. This is what it looks like in the labas ng cabin. Ayan. May sarili ka pong, ano bang tawag dito? Terrace. With a small table and 4 na upuan. Tas ayan, madaming mga cabin, mga ganyan lang siya. Pero kanya-kanya po kayo ng garage. Nasa mismong tapat ng cabin and makikita mo po mismo yung view doon sa may unahan. At teren, room tour ko na po kayo. Pagpasok nyo po, makikita nyo po yung table dito, which is nagdala po kami ng water kasi apakainit po ng panahon para hindi na po kami bili ng bili at mas makatipid. May sarili ka pong ano dito, parang dalawa po pala yung TV dito, tapos may sarili kang kitchen sink, pwede kang magluto, magdala ka lang ng pagkain, and then meron din ditong couch. Makalat siya. Sorry for the messy. It's because we just got here and I haven't have a chance to arrange it yet. Kasi nafa-video na ako ng mas maaga. Dalawa pala yung yung bed dito. So, which is good kasi never naman kami nagtatabi matulog. Doon siya sa kabila. Ako dito. This is my side. And then eto, papakita ko, meron din silang microwave, refrigerator. Laki ng fridge nila. So, pwede kang, let's just stay, you wanna stay here for a week for an adventure. So, pwede kang mag-imbak ng food. Kailangan mo talagang mag-imbak ng food, especially if mag-a-adventure ka or mag-hike ka, something like that. Kasi yung mga restaurant doon, maaga sila nag-close. And ito pala yung niya, yung bed niya. Yan, nandyan pa yung kalat. Kaya ligpitin muna natin. Nasa yan. Natulog na siya. Hindi mo nyo lang makita. Kasi nasa siya. Nasa under the blanket na yung isa. And pakita ko naman sa inyo yung bathroom. Ito yung bathroom nila. May kasama na siyang, which is normal naman. Yung mga dito. Yung mga bathroom dito. May kasama na siyang shower and tawag dito? Bathtub. Ayan, simple lang. Cute siya, maliit lang. And ito na pala yung naggala na kami. Best advice ko pala, no. If you're planning to visit here, something I highly recommend po. Take a local Navajo guided tour kasi sila po yung mas nakakaalam na mas magandang scenic view. While you can drive the scenic 17-mile Valley Drive on your own, but you only see part of what Monument Valley has to offer only. Most of the most spectacular places kasi is located in the restricted areas that are only accessible with a local Navajo guide. Kaya mas maganda po talaga na kukuha kayo ng local Navajo guide. Yun po yung ginawa namin kaya mas nakakakita kami ng magandang view na katulad nito. A guided tour po kasi allows you to visit hidden arches, mga viewpoints na remote na most visitors never get to see. Your guide will also share the history, the legends, the traditions, and the personal stories connected to the land. Instead po of just looking around at beautiful rocks, you understand the meaning behind them, making your visit much more memorable po if kukuha po kayo ng local tour guide. It's because the local guides know every corner of the valley. They can take you to the incredible photo spots, explain how these giant sandstone formations were created over millions of years through erosion, and introduce you to the places that aren't available on the self-driving route. And by taking a local tour, you're also supporting Navajo family and helping preserve their culture and tradition for future generations. One thing I love about Monument Valley is how it changes throughout the day. During sunrise po kasi, the rocks glow with the soft shades of orange and pink. And by midday naman, the red sandstone become even more vibrant against a bright blue sky. Then, at sunset, everything transforms into rich shades of gold, red, and purple. Every hour offers completely different view. Maa-amaze ka po talaga. If you're a photographer, nature lover, or someone who simply enjoys peaceful places, Monument Valley deserves to be on your bucket list. As I stand here surrounded by these incredible monuments, I'm reminded that some of the greatest masterpieces were never built by people. They were created by nature over millions of years. This place isn't just about taking beautiful pictures, it's about appreciating history, respecting the culture of the Navajo people, and experiencing one of the most iconic landscapes on Earth. Thank you so much for joining me on today's adventure. If you enjoyed exploring Monument Valley with me, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and come along as we discover more amazing places across Arizona, the United States, and beyond. I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye everyone and have a safe travels.